everyone, welcome to the video. My name is Ashley and today I'm going to be showing you how you can take your light nudes from spring and summer and transition them into fall. So let's go ahead and get into it. The lipstick that I'm using is in the shade called Foxy, which I really loved for spring and summer. It is gorgeous, but any light nude color will work for this. Something maybe like New York or Oh My Guava actually would be perfect. And then you're going to be mixing that with this lipstick in the shade called Spice and Easy, which on its own is a great lipstick color for fall, but when you mix these two together, it just creates something a little extra special. So let me go ahead and show you real quick what Foxy looks like on its own, and I will also do a swatch for you. So what I like to do when I'm mixing my lipstick colors is I like to go ahead and apply my lipsticks from lightest to darkest. So I will go ahead and apply Foxy first, and then I will go over the top of that with the lipstick in the shade called Spice and Easy. I also did want to go ahead and show you what Spice and Easy looked like as a hand swatch before I apply it over the top here, just so you can get an idea of what it looks like on its own. It's a really beautiful color. Like I said, it's gorgeous for fall. I love it. And then I will go ahead and show you what they look like mixed together. This is the lip color that you get when you mix these two together. It's really beautiful. The Foxy, or even like I said, any other light nude color, will soften the Spice and Easy lipstick a little bit, making it, I don't know how to describe the color. Like I just said, it softens it a little bit, and I like that for everyday wear. I find that this is really great as a stain for everyday wear, but if I want to wear this like full on, as bold as I can get it, it's much better for evening. So when I mix the two together, you get a really nice, beautiful, everyday lipstick color for fall. And let me go ahead and do a swatch of what these two look like layered on top of each other as well. And we'll do a little bit of Foxy right over the top. Another reason that I like Foxy or a light nude mixed with this is that it just adds a little bit something extra. So over here is what they look like mixed together. It's gorgeous. I love it. It's like my new favorite lip combo. Another thing that you could do, I didn't do in this video, but if you wanted to line your lips, the natural lip liner pencil would be perfect for these colors as well. And this is the lip combo for fall. I think it is gorgeous. I really love it. Real quick before I end this video, I wanted to also go over the eye makeup details because I know someone will probably ask. So for my eyes, I first applied the eyeshadow in the shade called Porcelain, and I used that as a base. And then right over the top of that, I took the eyeshadow in the shade called U Latte, and I applied that right on the lid. Next, I took the eyeshadow in the shade called Yes You Canyon, and I blended that into the crease. Then I took a little tiny bit of the eyeshadow in the shade called Bombshell, and I applied that just to the outer corners of the eyes. And then to highlight, I used the eyeshadow in the shade called Buttercream. This last eyeshadow that I used, we actually don't have anymore. It's the shade called Golden Ticket, and I applied that right to the center of my eyelids, but Golden Girl would work just as well. And then to finish off the eyes, I applied the black eyeliner to my waterline, and then I finished everything off with the Lash Project mascara, which I did about 3 coats of that today. And that is the completed makeup look. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below and let me know what your favorite products have been for fall. And until next time, take care. Bye!